your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Don't face that court alone. Let the Wise Man team get you back on the road. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call the Wise Man team at Wise Man Lawyers.
Alright, today I'm at Blackwater Magistrates Court. Client was charged with repeat drug driving. Basically, this was his fourth charge of relevant drug present in the last 5 years and his fifth in total. So, relevant drug present means that you've consumed it, the effects have worn off, but there's traces of it still in your system. And as I said, he'd been charged 3 times previously in the last 5 years and 4 times previously in the last 7 years. So as I said, so this was his fourth in 5 years, fifth in total. Basically, worst case is a lifetime loss of licence. Mandatory minimum 6 months if you've got 2 previous in the last 5 years. And as I said, he had 3 previous in the last 5 years, 4 previous in total. So this being his 4th in 5 and 5th in his life. So absolute best case was 6 months, but that'd be an unrealistic expectation given the amount of offending in such a short time frame. As I said, worst case, lifetime, minimum 6. With regard to preparing, I requested that he do the reformatory course we get all of our clients to do. Asked him to get references based on a template we provide all of our clients. Got him to fill out in the online form we've developed to prompt clients to give us all the information we need to be able to properly prepare for their matter. I prepared my submissions. I flew to Emerald yesterday, drove from Emerald to Blackwater last night, stayed here last night, met the client this morning. There's no real conference rooms here, but what I did, we got a bit of grass at the front of the courtroom, had a bit of a conference. I explained what he can expect to happen in the courtroom, what he can expect the prosecutor to say, me to say, obviously, and the type of things that you can expect the magistrate to say procedurally. I was probably somewhat foolishly pushing hard for the minimum 6 months. That was probably an unreasonable expectation given the tight amount of offending in such a short time frame. So as I said, 4th in the last 5 years, 5th in total. I was probably biting off more than I could chew, pushing for 6 months, but at the end of the day, that's my job, to try to get outcomes that someone can't get with either by himself with non-specialised representation. So there was a bit of resistance from the magistrate on that point. I tried to stress the person's or the client's unique situation as much as I could, and stress that my client should be treated a little bit differently to the average person who comes before the court for this offending. As I said, there was a bit of resistance. I had to speak on my feet for quite a bit, but ultimately the magistrate decided a 7-month disqualification was appropriate. I'm very happy with that. As I said, given it was a 4th offence in 5 years and 5th offence in about 7 years. So a 7-month disqualification and a modest fine. I'm happy, the client's happy. I'm Andrew Wiseman at Blackwater Magistrates Court. Thanks for watching. Hi, I'm Andrew Wiseman from Wiseman Lawyers, Queensland's only truly dedicated drug, alcohol and traffic offence law firm. If you face loss of licence, loss of vehicle imprisonment or anything in between at any court in Queensland, we can and will help you today. This is our specialty. This is all we do. Give us a call, 1300 947 352. I look forward to helping you resolve your issue today.